Hello everyone, good morning. This is Tom from the Naili Compressor company, and I'm so pleased to introduce to you about the Naili Compressor being used in the electrical bus application. So let's check it out, okay? And all the bus is very popular in the country now, so they are all the electrical bus. So let's see what Naili Compressor can be used for this application, okay?
我是沙庄市公交公司的车长，叫胡雪刚。开公交车开了有22年了。这个车呢，开了有3年了。这种耐力这个气泵呢，上气儿挺快的。在道上行驶阶段。在启动这上气特别快。
Okay, this is a Naili Compressor AVF series, the update one, and the 2.2 kilowatt, about 230 liters per minute. So, and this is a new innovation and very popular for all the electrical bus applications. Okay, for this new technology, electrical buses will be more popular in the future. So, if you have any question or any inquiry, please check our website www.naili.com. So, and any question, please also send me by email. Okay, to check our website.